And hold on. Yeah. So now we're just back into the discount of that entire range. And I mean, we just hit off the 50% right there. Can it still go? Yes. Now, is it something that happens like that every time? No. And that's why last legs, like when it's parabolic like that, it usually just works out in the first run. So, I mean, big retracements already pre-market that you want to see stuff working out. And since it was so just absolutely one-sided, didn't take out any buy side, went all the way back down inside the range and now going back up. Like I said, for me to be interested in again, you have those inversion fair value gaps. 2-minutes probably pretty clean because you have the inversion fair value gap at 725, 726 a.m. If I look at the 2-minute here, was that NASDAQ? Yeah. 2-minute. Yeah, it's the 726 fair value gap on the 2-minute. You have that. You have that bounce, ultra bounce price range at 908, 904 on the 2-minute. That's super, super nice. Also, I mean, that's just a nice bounce range. It would have to get back up into a premium. And then if it even touches the premium discount of this range again, like those are like the nicest fucking setups. If you can get that, like the last leg, when it trades up into a premium, then it trades back down to the premium discount. And then it just goes because you break those up into quadrants and stuff. Like it's super, super efficient when it does that. But nice 5-minute close right there. I like the reaction that it had. I don't want to see it trade back down past the mid wick. I'll make a trade back down past. I don't want to see a closure past the mid wick. And if it doesn't get it, obviously we're just going to keep running higher from there with some speed. But like I said, I like the 1-minute fair value gap is basically my barometer. The 909 fair value gap, 2-minute. I mean, it's the 908 on the 2-minute. I like that as well. But I like all those really. It's a shame that's just taking this close to 930. Any retrade back into that as well. We don't have a closure over it, so it's a little sketchy trying to take it now. I mean, if you miss it there, you can also get into the 725 fair value gap as well. But beautiful respect to the 5-minute on the breaker, leaving relative equal highs. Like this is an A+ setup right here for me. But I mean, now I want to take it. I mean, it's way too close to fucking 930. So unfortunately. So there's the 2022 model for the 15-second. We didn't get the fair value gap though. We didn't get that hit. Almost. Let's see. But just a market maker buy model now in the 15-second. And now if you get past that fair value gap there in the 15 as well, which lines up basically with the 1-minute fair value gap. I mean, there's just a shit ton of levels there. If this nice 1-minute fair value gap or order block forms right there at which it did 917. Now we're just 1-minute fair value gap here should get respected. That order block at 917 is what I would take my trade on. If we get back over top of it. I mean, look at that reaction right there. Beautiful 2022 model. .30 probably looks pretty clean as well. Yeah. 30 seconds, 30. Right off the breaker. Beautiful extension through that. Like I said, I would take it off of that 1-minute order block. Even though we activated it, obviously you want to see a close over it. Trade back down into it if it's going to give it to you. And these are the type of trades where it can just fucking just rip and not even give it to you. So even this retrade right here, I would love to take this retrade. We just closed over that. Bam, right there. Stop loss would be at the breakaway gap low. Or, sorry, the breakaway gap. The discount level, the breakaway gap. If we were to take this. And then I wouldn't be scared to get back into this. Now, price just hit the premium discount level again. Or the the premium equilibrium, I should say, the 25% level of the range.
Mm-hmm.
Get great reaction from there. Beautiful. Let's see, wants to extend higher.
Yeah, this 1 minute fair value gap is just holding everything.
Yeah, shit's kind of nice. I might take these on my funded accounts that I'm trying to aggressively trade, actually.
No, don't, dude.
Why?
Just be aggressive with your setup.
Well, this really is my setup, but it's 9:30, so
Yeah, so it's not your setup.
all right, let's see. That would have got stopped out. I think it's still gonna pan out, and then now you have a breaker. So you have the consolidation, manipulation, distribution, or 50% of the range. It needs to quickly reject here, and then get back above that range. Next two candles, it gotta go. Gotta get back above it. So the first red flag was already trading back down into the 50% of that entire range. This is now the second red flag.
Well, also not breaking that inversion pair value gap was another red flag at 910.
Yeah, so that got super respected. It can still absolutely go. I mean, if you look at the 5 minute, 5 minutes still super nice to where you're just reclaiming this, but it's still, like I said, just a reclaimed order block. So,
Yeah, high resistance included right now.
yep. It's a great tape reading session right here. I love it.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't think I was going to be this engaged. 15-minute order block as well. I mean, it's all a breaker. I mean, the order block's super nice, super strong. At least it should be.
But nice and strong.
Nice and strong.
Not bad. It's not bad.
What up, Sean? We've been locked in a little bit. We've just been tapering like a mug.
I have been watching you guys for the last like 15 minutes. I've just been sitting
Oh
here.
wow, dude.
Really?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
You just
shit.
been here in the call
You
for
were locked in.
15?
I was like, I'm not gonna say a word. Yeah, for like 10, 15.
You
Let's
said
go.
I'm
I
not
have to
gonna
hop.
say a
That's
fucking
fucking
word.
9:30.
I bought a
What?
I'll
new
be
truck
back.
today, so I gotta go out and get my
You did?
truck. Yeah.
Are you
Do you have a
serious?
call at 9:30, Big Sean?
Yeah. Sadly.
Yeah, dead ass. No, I bought a new truck.
But you guys are both leaving at 9:30.
Not 9:30. No. I'm leaving.
I was like, yo,
no.
what is this?
I'm leaving. I'm pretty sure like at 11. I can't stay for 11 o'clock
Alright,
macro.
cool.
I gotta bounce. I'll stay till like 10:45 and go from
Yeah,
there. So I'll
yeah.
definitely be here for the news.
Yeah.
Nice drowse.
Yep.
That's wild. I thought everyone was just out before we even started.
No, I mean I'll still be watching. I just can't be on the fucking call.
5 minute get respected again. Why does my chat box have sound? That's weird.
Yeah, at the very least, dude, just super good draw is that 6 a.m. 4 hour from Thursday on Nasdaq, and then probably those equal fucking daily highs on ES. But turn into fat cluster no wogs. Do you take
Yeah.
that pre-market?
Which one?
The one you were talking?
No, I never. I didn't take it. No, because I want to see a reaction over time. Can you hear me? I'm in the bathroom.
Alex, what you like for today, man?
Yeah, I was telling Ty, I like higher prices.
Yeah, me too.
Those 1 hour highs. However, it's a little strange to me that, well, if I was just being super picky, I wanted Nasdaq to be the leader to the upside because it would be Six Sister because ES already took out the highs on Wednesday last week.
Mhm.
But that's the only thing that I don't like. But yeah, I like the highs.
925,
Yeah, I
absolutely
agree.
ripping.
And then Big Sean, if we take out Nawag from this week, I'm gonna be sidelined for the moment. I think if we're gonna go higher, we should just go higher like instantly. Almost instantly.
$825, a little wild there. A little wild boy.
What'd you get, Ty? What truck?
Same truck, same model, same year.
What color?
Dark gray.
Why'd you get? You
Nice.
got the same model?
Yep,
Same everything.
same everything. Toyota
Same
Tacoma
everything.
2010.
Except
one
with
just has
100,000 more
$1,500
miles on it.
Yeah, it has 100,000 more miles on it. Has a way better frame. The dude was a mechanic and took extra care of it. Like he would spray it down every fucking day after going in a dirt road and shit like that. He changed everything like basically like, I mean, to the standard of maintenance and stuff. Yeah, he has $1,500
happened
rims
to
and
your
tires on it. He has a $6,000 lift on it, and he has a $3,000 bed cover on it.
Yeah, send
So-
me the listing of it.
He already
Wanna
took
see
it down.
Do you have a picture of it?
Ty's gonna be ripping hydraulics.
I don't have a picture. I'm upset.
You don't even
I
have
wish
a
I did.
picture, dude?
I'll get you one at 12 today.
All right. I'm gonna set an alarm.
I'm gonna set an alarm. And my girlfriend's I don't have a bank that I can pull out like cash in, so she's pulling out 10K for me. I was like, sick.
What do you mean? You don't have a bank you can take cash out of, dude?
I have USAA. USAA doesn't have like a branch. There are only branches in Arlington, Texas.
Bro, really?
Yeah.
What?
You're just about to take out
That sounds
some
useless,
cash,
dude.
bro.
A bank you can't make withdrawals from, dude? I need to
Alex,
create one of
dude,
those.
you're asking way too much from a bank to be able to take money out.
Dude, I'm about to start one of those, dude. Give me your money and you can't take it out. Dude, what are we doing trading, bro? You need to make banks.
5-minute Sibby. We get below that 7 a.m. 5-minute Sibby. It's a whole ass balance price range.
I think you should get a different bank, dude.
No, USA is the best.
Sounds like they're great.
Well, I mean, how many times do I need fucking 10K like that? Like maybe a one every 5 years? Well, for me, shit, one every year at this rate where I'm buying trucks. But
But like, what if you just need to do a withdrawal? Like, what if you need like $100? You just can't.
what would I need $100 cash for?
I don't know.
I'll just do a catching lesson. They give me $100. I'm like, here you go. Here's my $100.
So what are the good things about this bank?
Their insurance. Insurance is super low for everything. $929 coming out swinging. So we're at the premium daily fair value gap again, tapping back into that. We're also at the consequent encroachment of that 5-minute Sibby or 5-minute Bissy. Fat fucking range. What's ES like? Hour. Didn't even get down to that order block breaker. Oh, got down to the breaker. There's a breaker on the hour chart. Basically, I mean, you can see it on the 15-minute as well at 1:45 a.m. on ES.
All right, boys. I'll join in a little. I gotta go.
Peace, Big Sean.
Later, buddy.
2 seconds before his call starts. That's crazy. That's love.
That's hilarious. Nice little tank right there.
Yes,
Sell
we
side
got
engaged on NASDAQ. Massive
Three-
opening range gap. I mean, shit, you could
three
trade back
regular-
down to the NWAG.
3 regular trading hour gaps on ES all lined up with each other. Right here.
Really?
Right here, right now.
Oh, yeah. Beauty. It's a beauty, that
Yeah.
number 9.
Same with NASDAQ's regular trading hours breaker right there. On Thursday. Oh, dude, those highs look even better now with regular trading hours. Wow. Wow.
All right, now how far down to this gap do we need to trade and then take off? Full gap closures, definitely not needed.
It would be.
I like to see it get
preferred.
it back above that 5-minute SIBI then. We get a nice close
Yeah,
loaded
yeah.
on the 5, you get back above it. That could be a fucking
Get regular
nasty.
trading hours. Regular trading hours left open.
Yep, we
that'd
also
be
have news
huge.
though. Also have news, very
945.
smooth highs.
Damn, dude. 9:45 moves.
So failed last leg. Beautiful. Let me just look at this ripper,
SMT
bro.
on that
It's just
little
gonna
low.
it's just gonna rip these highs here, bro. Doesn't even let you get in post
Why
news.
not?
Just stay down here, bro. Just consolidate in here and then let the news come out and let me get in sync with it.
That's a lot to ask in this tiny range.
Way
dude.
too much to ask, I guess.
Yeah.
Retarded. Fucking retarded.
But maybe it will. Dude.
Shit's crazy, bruh.
What is that? Just 1 minute SMT, 5-minute SMT.
Mhm. Yo, who's
That's
in
it.
that chat? Who's in that
Like
chat, my boys? Where we at? Where we at? Nobody saying hi this morning?
Dude,
Nobody
imagine
saying
buying
what's
that
good?
turtle suit.
Say it again.
I said, imagine buying that turtle suit, dude.
Incredible. 1 hour fair value gap right there. That's what that was.
Yeah. Yep. Yo.
Just a beauty. Beauty, that number 9. 15 seconds. Just going to take out all those highs. I'm mapping out that high from, like, what was that? 120, 125 on the 5-minute. 5-minute lick. Nope. I'm going to do like, let's go 15-minute lick.
Yeah,
First
that
presented
shit.
on the board. And we rip higher. GG's.
Yeah. Thanks. Thanks for
Nice.
playing.
Nice. Smacks TP right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, imagine taking it from there. That'd be crazy. That'd have been sick. Just trusting it and saying, yep, I'm ripping this. That's what you wanted to see. I kind of wanted to slow down. Let me get in sync with it, but a fucking ripper. You know what I mean?
We still got the regular trading hours highs intact. Relative equals from Thursday. Pretty
Nice,
clean.
KP. That's dirty, bro. That was fucking nasty. Did you hold it all the way up to that high?
Yeah, it's gnarly, dude. Just 2 candles.
Didn't
Three
copy
candles.
trade again? Yeah, we can go over it. I'm actually just bought a new truck today, so I'm gonna go out and get a new truck. It's not really new, just new to me truck. It's a used truck, but same price, same make, same model, same year. Just has $1,500 tires, $6,000 lift, and a bed cover for fucking what is it? Like $3,000. So literally just the add-ons and shit. Yeah, third Tacoma, baby. Then I'm gonna sell mine on Marketplace too. I could probably get like 11.5 for mine. I'm paying 10 for this one. The only reason why this one's 10K is because it has 275,000 miles on it. But the frame is fucking perfect. The dude was a mechanic, or is a mechanic. And he was really anal about everything. So we pulled up the Carfax, dude, and that shit's cleaner than fucking clean. So my last Tacoma, or my first Tacoma, I bought with 380,000 miles on it. Bro, like if I didn't have that Tacoma that stopped working at 450, that wasn't taken care of nearly as nice as this, like I would have laughed in this dude's face when he said, like, dude, this could run till 1,000,000 miles. Like I believe that it absolutely could. Just looking at how clean it was, it's at least gonna, at least the very least, will give me another 200,000 miles on it. Very least. So yeah, it'll run till 500,000 if I take care of it. It'll easily run to 500,000. Like those are the best engines ever made. Like those second series Tacomas. Like, dude, it's actually ridiculous how long those things can run for. Like that's why they're so valuable, bro. That's why the market for those are double the amount of any other car made in that year. Dude, this Tacoma's fucking sick, bro. You're gonna look at this Tacoma and go, holy fuck, yeah, you made the right fucking decision. This thing is nasty, bro. Big Al, what are we looking at? Take out the low, take out the high, take out the low.
Yeah. Exactly.
Fun markets,
Looks like
eh?
we're-
Just
It
waiting
looks
for
like
news
it-
to come out.
Yeah. Looks like it doesn't matter what it does, dude. Because I'm not trading this.
Wow, first presented got respected somehow. After the longest wick in mankind.
Wow. Who would have thought?
Hey, that's precision, bro. It counts. Just take a buy or sell here.
Dude, we actually need to just be on like the 30-second chart, dude.
Yeah.
Maybe even.
Tobias, bro, I'm fucking terrified, dude. I'm so scared, bro. Crazy scared, bro. Bro, I'll get on the 1 second chart and fucking rip this thing, dude. Fuck it. Big AD. AD, baby. Oh. We got a new little camera set up for my stream. It's sitting in between my
What?
monitors now. It's more of a straight on view than the side view from over here.
Oh shit, dude. Let me check her out
Yeah.
while we wait for news.
Nice. Check her out. I got a little light too up top, so it's like shine. I didn't want to do it over here first because like it was too dark because my light's over on the other side of the room. So I had to get a fucking light as well. And yeah, that bitch is shining bright on me. Check
dude,
it
that's
out.
good.
Thanks, brother.
Tobias, take a trade, pussy.
The support is uncanny. I love it. Support is. It's fun. And we got a little sell side there in the 5 minute. It's going to reach for. And then the consequent encroachment of opening range gap. We had the consequent encroachment of the day. I think we're going to reach down a little bit further, though. I think it's going to close. It'd be crazy to stop on a dime right there and go further. With just the sell side and then the opening range gap. 50%,
Dude, look at these
so-
tiny little oaks. Like 930 just takes out tiny low.
Mhm.
933 tiny high.
And it rips
Crazy.
it lower.
That's crazy.
Crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. SMT on those highs, baby.
Yeah. Oh yeah, dog.
SMT's on the lows first, then SMT on the
Yeah.
highs.
yeah.
And you get the inversion fairly.
Confusing.
5-minute lick. We got the opening range gap, 50% right there. Beautiful. After taking out a little buy side. Yeah. That's funny, bro. That is funny. So we got some news coming out here. 9:45. Big Sean had to hop on a little call action. But yeah, I like the new camera setup. I put a little something back there. The curtain, you can see me go to the bathroom now when I got to run over there.
Yeah. The
that's
bathroom
hot.
doors.
Little bathroom
Is
break
live.
action. That's fun. Yes, sir. ES hitting its breaker. Hitting the low of that breaker. Let's see how it reacts. Let's see how it reacts. Fair value gap 1 minute ES with the low of the breaker. NASDAQ doesn't even get to it. Expanding lower right now.
Extending and expanding at the same time.
I know you like that.
Yeah, it's good.
That's pretty good. Immediate rebounds in the 5-minute ES could send us.
But we're so bearish, dude. That's all we need.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll
I mean,
just
if
gather that
anything, dude, I'd like
data.
it to turn around from here. But if we keep going lower, obviously we're going to trade for those hour lows. But I'd like to keep a breakaway gap and then trade higher from there. But absolutely doesn't have to.
Dude, how clutch are breakaway gaps for just like a barometer for everything?
Mm-hmm. Incredible.
Incredible.
YM's going higher still. That's fun. Just hit the new week open gap, consequent encroachment on NASDAQ. The middle of that gap. That gap. That gap. Like that.
Yeah, dude. Appreciate that.
Oh.
Maybe I should buy
Negative sleep,
you.
boys. Negative. Sleep the past 2 days. I'm gonna take the fattest nap today. I've off work. And thank God, because if I had to go into work
You got your
today after
stimulants?
sleeping.
You got
My
your
what?
caffeine, nicotine, your stimulants?
No. I
Caffeine,
want to take a
nicotine,
nap.
gum.
I do.
Just
They're
rip
over
'em.
there. I will though. But yeah, I gotta.
Once the news comes out.
Just requested a day, or KP.
I'm
Just
really
requested
looking
it.
at, like,
I don't know why.
5:15 at the moment.
Just
Fuck
the
their
day it
ass.
was open, I was like, hey, can I have off? They're like, yeah, sure. So I was like, cool. Fuck it. I'm taking off. But now it's for my new truck and to get that shit figured out. So I'm glad I got that.
I'll
You know,
be
I'm also
back.
going to get my taxes done today. Yeah, I definitely need it today because, like I said, I didn't sleep good the past 2 days. So we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Big out. We keep extending lower here. We turn around. Discount level of that daily fair value gap right there. I mean, we beautifully hit the consequent encroachment and used it for resistance up top with the daily fair value gap. So, I mean, that's a big sign. You see that, Big Al? Oh, he's not even fucking here. That little doucher. I guess that consequent encroachment of the Nawag, which is the gap. New week open gap. If we get down below there, dude, I think we're going to go for these lows. I'd love to see him be left open now just for higher time frame purposes. Yeah, bro, it's happened to me a lot, man. Just not copying. I had to done so much stuff and make sure, double check, doing all this shit. So news coming out here in 5 seconds. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's user error, buddy. Damn, keep going lower, eh?
Why not, dog? What do you know?
¿Por qué no? Yeah, it's top of the New Week Open gap. I mean, this really is the lowest that I want to see it go. Like, this is like true last line of defense. It's already giving me fucking flashing warning
Yeah.
signs. So
Yeah, this is a beautiful market maker stock model for this one.
yeah, but a beautiful buy if you can fucking. I mean, just the most discounted buy ever. If you think it's really going higher. Just an absolute savage 2022 model right here on the 15-second.
Savage.
Savage buy right here. If you fucking buy this shit. Redonkulous.
So you're saying you can see both sides?
I'm saying that if it doesn't go higher from here, it's going lower.
If this, then that.
Yep. Now's like the last straw, though. Last straw.
ES has some good SIGs on the 50% of regular trading hours.
Your mom
5
got
at
some
1
good
minute.
SIGs.
Yep, exactly.
Your mom.
5 and 1 minute, all closing above it.
Good buy right there on NASDAQ. Bam.
You
Rip
know,
it. Your mom. I mean, IOFED should hit here on NASDAQ. I think even all the way up to that 1 minute breaker. The opening price. Or not opening price, really just the low of that 1 minute candle. So I think the entire 5 minute range
which
will get
one?
filled.
9:30?
Yeah, the entire 5 minute range should get filled here.
Inverted. How about that?
And inverted. You can also just go for the gap fill as a target. From where we called it on the 15-second time frame from gap fill. I said that'd be not a bad buy right there. Little 2022 model. External to internal liquidity. Order block right there. 15-second. See it go up. Mid wick on the 1 minute previous wick. Basically a breaker there too. Bam, right there. Breaker on the 1 minute. We don't have really a swing high, but like 15-second, it's there. You can see it.
A breaker without a high.
It's like a market maker.
Or a block. Mitigation.
Auto block. Auto filled. Auto filled.
Or a block.
Breakaway gap there in the 1 minute. Shouldn't really touch that. If it's good. Boink doesn't hit discount level. If it gets a fat reaction from there, that could be sick. Well, never mind. There you go. 5 minute IOFED. Let's see if it just plays around in here for a little bit. Waits till 10. We got the
Take out the low of the day and then we go high.
yep. We got the macro
That'd be
here.
alright. That'd be alright.
We got a little Mac piece right here.
Macaroni. Little Mac truck. The 950 Mac truck.
Huh.
Whoa.
Thing just flit. Sell,
What
sell,
up,
sell, sell,
Lowe's?
sell. If it expands through that, the next 1 minute fair value gap you could take for a fucking sell. Gotta get expansion though. Can't just do that and just fuck around.
Yeah, we'd like to see a close below these swing lows. Come on.
Just an
Nope.
extension. Yeah, that's a tough close right there.
Yes, it was decent. Decent
Yes, was
close.
decent. You're right. It's also made the lower high. So yeah, also with both confirmations of it being weaker, it made the lower low and it made the lower high.
That's what's up.
Double comfy. Next fair view we can short. Do we get the immediate rebounds twice on the 5 minute? Oh my god, we do. That's crazy. 5 minute ES, double immediate rebounds. It's wild. Wild. Would be a crazy fucking buy right here. Absolutely insane, because this has to be the fucking low. And if it expands through that, your stop loss could be literally fucking 3 points. Bam. That would be it. So now it's going to probably expand here. Expand and go lower. Imagine now that's the low of the fucking market. That'd be crazy. But yeah, we got some sweet lows down here now. How's the signatures on the 15 minute on that? We still got a nice little 15 minute open here. Still got some time to close over the consequent encroachment of the weekly the Nawag. But I don't think so. That fair value gap, great reaction. Beautiful. But gun to my head, I think we go lower. Oh, shizzle my nizzo. There we go. Dude, I am feeling out of it right now. $9.53. Got some news coming out soon. Soony. We can hit the new week open gap low and then trade to that sell side liquidity. I mean, you've layered sell side liquidity there. I mean, just so much to look at. A lot of just different swing lows. What the fuck? Why isn't it showing it up on the 1 hour? One hour swing low, bam. Is it synced with everything? What the fuck? Yeah, sync globally, bro. What are you doing? Alright, whatever. Fuck it. I'll just put it on here. 1 hour. Lick. Trading me, bro. If only it was like just did its job sometimes, you know? It'd be so good. 1 minute order block. Spawned lower. Now NASDAQ's obviously the weaker one because it always just turns out to be. As soon as you think ES is going to be the weaker one, it's like, nope. Sorry, brother. Oh. My mental capital is in the negatives right now. Negatives. I think that order block will hold on the 15-second. It's going to fucking rip here. All right, full gap closure right there. And that spike down. Should continue and just rip below it for that sell side. Super quick. Want to see it quick here. Quick rip. Quick rip. Yep, there it is. Sell side. Bang! Fall off a fucking cliff, bro. An old Clifford right there. Clean. Sell side engaged. Buy side was engaged and sell side was hunted. There's also more sell side down there. 1 hour. Cologne. So we have lower sell side on NASDAQ. We haven't taken out the sell side on ES yet. We've taken out the one original sell side, but we still have that intact there. I think it's going to want to keep running lower for that sell side. So we have 2 liquidity pools still there on both. So that's nice. So both should continue to run. Bam. ES hit it. I think NASDAQ's going to get that low. Yeah, I mean, just a beautiful display of the 3 quadrants of the New Week Open Gap. Like a use of the high, the premium side. After trading the consequent encroachment, beautiful later on there. Use the premium side as a, what is that? Resistance point. Broke through the consequent encroachment. Used consequent encroachment as a resistance point again. And now trading for the sell side. Like just stupid price action right there. Crazy precision. Too bad it was pre-news release. That sucks. Or I'd like to see that post-news release. ES still has a little bit to go for its secondary sell side. So take profit 47. One minute fair value gap ES right there on some old lows. Could just tap it and keep running lower. I like it to expand lower. Let's 6 sister play here. On a higher time frame bias that I have to go higher is not the best idea. Bam, that would have been a nice little entry right there. Let's see the reaction. I think it's going to run lower. Gun to my head, I think it runs lower. But the probabilities are definitely down. Yes, it's still pretty weak. Opening range gap low right there. Tapped it. Now see a great reaction from there. Let's watch this on the 5-second here. See a little market maker sell model in the 5. I might take a stab at this. Try to. Oh well, fuck. We got news coming out in 15 seconds. God, if there was no
Yeah,
news,
do
bro, I
it.
probably would have
Send
taken
it,
a
dude.
stab at that. Fuck.
Now's the time.
Yeah, fuck ass no. Literally news coming out in 3 seconds here. But that would have been my entry
Yeah.
right there. Bam. Would have literally stopped me out. Oh my god, by a tick would have stopped me out. That's crazy. My stop loss was right there. No shot. The high of that fucking candle when that price came out would have stopped me the fuck out. That's crazy. GG's. That'd have been wild, bro. Close to it. No cigar though. Close. If news didn't fucking release there, I would have been in there like swimwear. Nice 1 minute fair value gap held up as well. So, like I said, I could have seen it going. The probabilities were a little bit lower, but ended up working out. Six sister with a higher time frame bias. NASDAQ already took out its sell side, so news coming out as well, like literally in a minute. It's like, yeah, like, I mean, that's just a tough situation to be in right there. And yeah, if I didn't look at the clock before I was going to take that trade, bro, I would have fucking ripped it. So thank God I checked the clock out. I was literally about to rip that trade.
Yeah, that was
came
wild,
down.
dude. 'Cause we were talking about news all morning, and you're just like, all right, I'm taking it. Whoa.
I just got so
Look at
locked
these.
into just price, man. Just locked
Yeah.
in. Yeah.
Of course, dude.
Dude, price is so precise right now. Like it's moving
Yeah, the market
very,
was
very
clean
well.
as fuck today. Yeah, that's what I was
Stupid
just-
clean, bro. Like, dude,
Run
every
the highs, run
point,
the
bro. Like
lows,
the
great
consequent
signatures.
encroachment. Like, dude, the market's fucking freeing up, baby. It's March. Come on now. Don't jinx it.
Yeah, Dad, watch your mouth, dude.
It's freeing up, bro. That shit crazy. There's a little gap on NASDAQ. The fuck? My prices. Yeah, 1 minute fair value gap on ES. A little last leg piece. Fucking wild.
Okay, so now we ran the highs, we ran the lows.
Come back into the range
Probably
for
just-
dad.
Yeah, probably just sit back in the range and
New week open gap will probably be the draw now.
yeah.
So I'll take a little external internal liquidity, a little last leg. Massive 5-second breaker right there, 15-second as well. That swing high it just created on ES, respecting that order block at 10:01. If you look at the 15-second there, that swing high. If you get above that, bro, you could probably take it to the Nawag. That's where sell side just got absolutely mutzed. I have to do 7, bro. That's fucking nuts. On ES, I'd have to put 7 minis on it just for full risk. But that's how fucking fat of a range that was. Nice order block there in the 15-second. If we can get a nice little 1 minute closure right there, price breaks above that. Trades to the swing high. Bam, breaks it. So I'd like to see it form a nice little down candle right there.
The meteor rebalance on the 1 minute.
I mean, you can do a 2022 model. Yep. You can do a 2022 model on the 1 minute to take it up to the Nawag. Be a 5 minute fair value gap you could take it up into as well. That 5 minute on 950. So yeah, you trade up over past 959's high, trade back down into it, and then take it up to fucking what's that level? Like 29.25, or even 29.20. So what would that be? You take it from the midwick. So 70. So that'd be 50-point move right there, bro. Fuck. That's crazy. You'd have to risk an arm and a goddamn leg.
I know, dude.
Great move right there on ES. Where my entry would have been. On ES. Probably wouldn't have got me in because it fucking bottom ticked it on the breaker. Hmm. Little stop run right there. Yeah, if it comes back down, I like it. I don't think it will, though. If we're taking out that swing high. Yeah, no. There you go. Almost no wog right there. I liked it. Took out sell side. I was waiting for that breaker to hit on the 15-second. Already took out TP1, so I'm definitely not getting back into it. Had the opening range gap low hit. And then also we just missed the Nawag, but TP1 would have been opening range gap low. Just didn't get that fill. And now like TP1 hit, so I'm definitely not getting back into this. And my stop loss is about to get hit because of it. So that's why. That's why you got the parameters. Ugh. Yep, stop loss would have got hit. Beautiful. Beautiful fucking idea. Good money management. Love to fucking see it. Love to see it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So what, we go lower here? 5 minute IO fed, 15-second breaker to go lower? God, if those fucking relative equal lows were left, bro, I'd be ripping the fuck out of this trade, bro. But yeah, I don't see it going lower. I mean, I can't aim for anything. No sell side liquidity. It would just have to be that swing low that it fucking pierced down and got at the news. I mean, news low. I mean, that's a pretty significant low, honestly. We'll tape read it. But 2022 model would be good from right there. Doesn't even offer it. It'll be a 1 to 3. If you got that entry be at the breaker low, it doesn't even give it to you on ES. Nasdaq's kind of just flying. Let's see if Nasdaq will give it to you. That fair value gap would be low hanging fruit entry. Doesn't even want to trade back up into the breaker here. Just fly. Was soaring, flying. I know KP knows about that. KP knows about that ish. There we go. See if it works out. I like it too. I think it will. But yeah, definitely not going to attempt it because we don't have swing lows that we've taken out. Higher time frame. It's going to just fuck around here a little bit. We just took out hour lows. So. Patty, what's good, baby? How we feeling, bro? Catch any of those shorts? Yep, would have got stopped out there too. Almost. It'd be at the breaker high on the 15-second. So basically the rejection block on the 1 minute. Yep, there it is. GG's, boys. We're battling here. We're battling, boys. We're battling. How about you? How about you, Big Al? You battling?
Am I battling?
Yeah, are you just battling, bro?
Nah, I'm not battling, dude.
No?
Just
I'm in a battle, bro.
You got war.
Well, I'm always at war with the markets. It's going to be a constant war. Who's going to win? Me versus them. It's a never-ending war. The markets will always be open, so I'll always be here. But each one of these interactions are battles, baby. Who's going to win the battle of the day?
Yeah, dude, I'm not sure there's anything that will get me to trade after this.
Inverted breaker right there. Fair value gap. Oh, hit the inverted breaker so cleanly on the 15-second. Great reaction. Come back down, though. Whoa. Yeah, I might just fuck around down here. Get people out of some of their orders. Ooh. I mean, we basically open, right? So, like, of the day, the weekly open was on the consequent encroachment of the daily fair value gap, which is fucking precise. And then the regular trading hour open was on the premium side of that daily fair value gap. Double precise.
Yeah. Yeah, I think just based on we took the low of the day out and we're not rejecting at all, I think we'll just keep going lower today.
I mean, Alex, check out the last 3 15-minute candles, including this one, right? So if we look at the first 15 minute, 9:30, the low of that candle hit the discount fair value gap to a T. The high of the candle took out buy side liquidity, like basically to a T. You had to take it out with some ticks, so that's basically efficient. The next candle hits the new week open gap high to a T, then takes out the low to a T, and now this candle is hitting the bottom of the opening range gap low to a T.
Mm-hmm.
Like the precision is just wild right now,
Good to see. Welcome back.
right?
We've
Welcome to
missed
March.
you. Yeah, I just think if we were gonna take the lows and just go back to the 50% range, it would have already done it. So I'm leaning for a continuation. Continuation piece.
Yeah. I mean, you also got to look at relative quickly rejection, right? I mean, those are hour equal lows, you know? So, like, on a 5 minute, how many 5 minute candles would you give a quick rejection? Like 3 or 4? You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, like, this candle basically has to fucking quickly reject, or we're probably going lower. I mean, even now, I mean, just the way the price was acting. New 15-minute candle out. Got a fair value gap on those highs. Open range gap low. Still been trading into the new week open gap. I do think we still get up there. 2909. I do think we still get up there into that 5 minute fair value gap then at 920. We're hitting off that order block on the hour chart too at 11 a.m. on Friday. Basically a body breaker if you take away the wicks. It's a breaker with the bodies. $15-minute order block. Dude, we just closed an entire BISI on the 15-minute time frame, 3:45 p.m. yesterday. I'd like to see how this mid-wick here on the 15-minute holds up. I'm going to put that into quadrants. 15-minute candle. We'll quadrate the wicks. Quadrilateral here. But what are we looking at over there? Why doesn't it sync, bro? It actually pisses me off. Something's going on with fucking TradingView. Copy, paste. Yeah, good. Yeah, I can see it run to the mid-wick. This would be a good little sell setup. Last line of defense would be the fair value gap at 10:10, 1 minute. Bam, right there. Got to stay below that.
Got
then
1
run lower.
minute SMT on the lows too.
Yep. Beautiful. You have a good reaction from there. Good reaction to go lower. Great reaction there from that 1 minute fair value gap. Now it's just fucking around a little bit. Fucking around. Little respecty. Let's see if we can get it again, respect, or if we're gonna break over top of it. Yeah, definitely a weird area to try to get into a trade with. Something has to happen. Oh, first.
Yeah. This is not a good long or short setup.
Yo,
What's up, buddy?
Okay.
Yo.
bro, I wanted, fuck, man, I demoed it. I didn't have time because I was on a call to click it on my Ninja. I tried getting short right at 9:51. Just fucking didn't get filled.
Yeah, no, that was a great setup. If you were looking to go lower, I could still
Well, I
see
was
too.
once-
It's
Yeah.
good.
No, I was saying I was watching it. I'm watching that 15-minute. What time is that? 4:15. Once we started
Yeah.
fucking disrespecting that closing below, like yeah, we were in the lower quadrant of the Nawag. Dude, it just we shouldn't have been down there to begin with, to Alex's point. Did y'all take anything yet?
No,
No, we were watching that setup, but it was like ahead of 10 a.m. news, so
Yeah,
we just still chilled.
yeah. Oh my god, dude, I just got in a fucking shouting match with a dude in Vilnius.
No
You
way.
did?
Big Sean, did you yell at people, dude?
I had to, bro. I mean, he was just trying to pull some bullshit on us.
Did you wait? Who was it?
He was a guy in Lithuania. I mean, me and him are cool, but she was trying to finesse a Jew, and I'm like, bro, you can't pull this on me, dog.
He was trying to finesse a Jew. Oh, yeah. Yep, we're getting canceled.
Yeah, that's his first mistake, dude.
Sorry, dude, your YouTube channel just got flagged.
Thanks, Big Sean. Good shit, dude. Way to lay down the fucking hammer.
Yeah, I wish you streamed that, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, that'd been
I'll
sick.
watch
Do you have a
that.
video recording of that?
No.
Yeah. No, I was subscribed to that.
All right, boys, what are we thinking the rest of the session, man?
Well, look at the quarter wick of the 15-minute. Like, dude, the bodies are just crazy on that. The respect of just the quarter wick. 15
Yeah, I was
minute.
just saying.
What quarter wick?
15-minute
Oh, you're
low
talking
wick.
from the 10 a.m.?
Yeah,
Yes.
I was just saying I would like to see it lower because we're not quickly rejecting, but at this point, dude, I have no
Either
idea.
way. Either way.
Yeah. It's gonna be tough, dude, because if we go back higher, we'll just go into the range.
Dude, I think
And-
even higher time frame, it's so indecisive on the monthly, weekly, daily, like all of them. All of them, you could paint a scenario for both sides.
Right.
Yep.
Yeah,
I
you
think I'm
just
gonna
got
try to
1
take a
minute.
trade into that 15-minute fair value gap. I like 290 or 920
1
as
minute
a
S&P.
target.
Which 15? The one from
The first
9:45?
15-minute, 945. So like 920 as a target because it's a 5-minute fair value gap right above the New Week Open gap. Low
920 is a target.
920 as like a target.
Oh, like the level.
It's just like inside, yeah, the level 2920. But I might just rip here. It doesn't even give it to you. I mean, great respect to the wick too. So
Crazy, dude. Every time.
order block 5-minute.
Oh my god, dude! I was trying to click sell on that 951 short. Just fucking already left. The train already left the station.
Mm.
Here we go.
Choo-choo.
Nasdaq just took out the high. I think ES gonna six sister here. Should see a 15-minute fair value gap fill on ES. Yep, there it is.
There it is. There
Just
she
no
is.
retracements. Those are the trades you want to be in, though. And obviously, those just run. So, and it's good that it's you want to learn to be in trades that just run quick. If it hangs out, the probabilities just end up turning out less. And it's nice when you call out trades. It's like, oh shit, yeah, that ran fucking quick. It's like learning to recognize when trades are going to run quick and get in sync with it. And those are the ones that are just fucking bangers. So yeah, as soon as we respected that 3 times and had that extension, bro, it's like I think this is gonna fucking rip. SMT on the lows too on the 1 minute.
Yep.
So
Dude,
I wouldn't even be upset with getting up to the 25% opening range gap above that 1 minute swing high. The first 1 minute swing high that we created. That wouldn't be the craziest thing in the world. I've seen weirder. Basically a 15-minute fair value gap, premium side of that New Week Open gap. So 21.010. That wouldn't be the craziest thing I've ever seen. But yeah, I mean, big outlook. On the 15-minute, right? Look at that. Look at the turnaround on the 15.
Mm-hmm.
That's a quick rejection, right? If I'm looking at that
Right.
chart, let's say it's a 1 minute, that's absolutely quick rejection. And then on the hour chart, right? You just leave a long wick there and then it just quickly rejects after filling the entire gap.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like we ran the highs, ran the lows, and we see that often where if both sides are in, it just goes right back into the range too. So
Mm-hmm.
just a tough setup to get in sync with.
Yeah, external to internal. Yeah, I mean, you're just going to sit there the whole time and then wait for something to happen. You don't have any SMT, nothing, and then you have SMT on those lows. It's like, oh, fuck, let's go. And then you see like, I mean, even that last thing fail, right? I mean, did it even hit that inversion fair value gap on the 1 minute? No, I missed it by like a fucking tick, I'm pretty sure. The one I called out for short. Yeah, I missed it by a tick. Didn't even get back down to it. Just hit the high of what was that? 1017's high. Immediate rebalance on that basically. It just fucking ripped. That's probably immediate rebalance in like the 3 or 2 minute.
Like even right now, dude, it's just like such like look at the hourly, dude. It's just such like in an indecisive place.
KP.
Just stuck between two breakers. I'd really only like to I like to draw higher, dude. It's just to your point, Big Al, like shouldn't have done this. Bro, am I just not hearing shit? Can you hear me, Ty?
I can hear you.
Oh, I can't hear Ty, that's what it is.
Yeah. Oh, damn. Oh, my.
Un Bottega. Alright, we get back above.
Oh my god, my mic was off. I hit my mic by accident.
Damn, dude.
Like, I don't
What
even know where
button?
I'd be interested at this point, bro.
You just tape read.
Yeah, I'm really not interested. Is there like some of my least favorite conditions on both sides of the split you're taking?
I thought you loved trading between two breakers, no?
Nah, not anymore, dude. I used to love pushing my edge, but I feel bad because of how much money I take from the markets in these conditions.
Oh my god, dude, this degenerate guy I work with said I need a gold spike. How far do you
Job,
think
Patty,
it could
attaboy.
go?
What does that mean?
He basically is so leveraged long on gold, and he wants me to tell him how far I think it could go. Just like, Jesus Christ, dude. I mean, it's
Fuck
trading
gold.
into. Yeah, come on, Ty, pull up the gold chart, bro. What are you thinking?
Fuck, bro. I don't even
I'm
know.
watching February 18th inversion as a potential draw.
Wait, isn't gold at all-time highs?
It's had a little sell off. This has got
Oh
this little
shit, how
daily
far can it go?
breaker.
Just the fucking swing high, bro. Like, what do you mean, how high can it go? Fucking 3,000?
I'm telling him 2,900.
Well, it's literally at 2,900 right now. It's at 28.99.
It's at 2888.
No, the futures contract?
Mm-hmm. The XAUU. Oh, I'm not on the futures.
GC1. GC1
fuck.
exclamation point. Yeah, is he trading futures or what's he trading?
I wouldn't be bullish on this chart.
You want to be bullish on this chart?
Not right now. What's it on the weekly, I guess?
Shit, I'd be fucking bullish. Tell it proves you're wrong. I mean, you're trading to a breaker right now. You're going to have to wait till it gets past the 2,900. That's not fun. If we get a little inversion fair value gap working right there, the price is inside of right now, I'd long it on a daily.
Alright, back to business.
There goes Nazi D.
Yeah, she's coming, man. She coming for you.
Like I said, I like that swing high to get traded to. 1 minute. 1 minute swing high. 5 minute inversion, great reaction from it. 1 minute inversion, 949, could be fucking clutch. But yeah, I don't have enough leverage to trade this. Probably not even with a fucking micro. Didn't get a close over it, so we get a nice little order block forming here in the 15-second. Can long that after we get back above. Might look at ES because I can actually fucking leverage ES, but that's just gonna end up being the slower one because it's a piece of shit. Damn, the
You
way
want
I'm
this little last leg to this swing high.
yeah, probably the way I'm talking totally changed though, so got a little emotional there. So just gotta lock it back in.
Great self-awareness, brother.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, what the fuck did ES ever do to you?
I know, right? It's got to lock it in. A little locker.
Dude, Friday with PAL and NFP on the same fucking day.
KP,
Dude,
I
I
think
do
we'll
like
get there.
that level.
I think
if
it's
we
gonna
get
go.
up into it. Just don't know what risk reward you could really frame here.
Drop down to the seconds chart, baby. That premium daily fair value gap, beautiful fucking dude, just I mean just so many just levels that are just getting respected beautifully. 5 minute inversion on ES, taps the high of it, 955. That last 1 minute
Seeing
candle,
right
just
now.
the bodies, just that daily fair value gap premium level at 5961.75 is just fucking acting incredibly. Great precision on that. SMT on those lows? Not really. I mean, we're just consolidating here. Once we just break out to the highs, I think it's just going to rip.
We will trade higher today, but nice little balance range on the 15.
Discount side. ES of the Nawab. Just took out sell side, minor, 1 minute sell side, trading at a fair value gap order block. Great reaction. This is where you want to see it just fucking rip now. Everything's really in play. Buy side still intact. Liquidity swept. Order block. Fair value gap. Great reaction. A lot of the stuff you want to see right there. Premium side of that daily fair value gap again, respecting on that 1 minute. I'm talking about ES. ES. Let's see how we get a close over that. One minute wick. Should have went from there. So now we're back then into it. It's a little wonky. Still a 5 minute inversion can still work out. Just took out sell side again. See who wants to rip from here. That'd be a fucking
Potential
wild ass
immediate
breaker trade.
rebalance on ES.
That would be a wild ass breaker trade on ES.
15 minute
15
immediate
second.
rebalance on that bitch too.
Good comms.
Unless you don't consider that.
No, I think you finally learned.
Absolutely consider that.
Thanks, Alex.
Let's go, Big Sean.
Yo, everybody. Yo, Kayla, I know what an immediate rebalance is.
Yo, tell your dog, dude.
Tell you're in a dog.
Tell your dog.
I don't like that. I'd rather just see it rip from there. Fuck. Yeah, that's not what you want to see there. ES just fucking around on it. Sell side there, 1 minute ES, 1 minute lows. 15-second IOFA maybe will get you in. 5 minute fair value gap too. You don't want to trade into that.
Those equal lows look pretty fucking nice right about now.
AP gets yeah, those price actions retarded. Retarded.
This actually just looks like a beautiful, just like, if I was drawing a market maker sell model, this is what it would look like.
Breaker 1 minute if wants to go lower.
Is it Monday of NFP normally a ripper?
Mm-hmm. Had a nice ripper to the downside.
Maybe we just take out yesterday or Friday's lows. Just an absolute monster.
Dude, if we take out fucking Friday's lows, then we have such like, we have so much liquidity below this, dude.
Yeah, trading inside here is going to be kind of whack.
Yeah.
Dude, what a good day.
Good pick.
What a good day to identify to not trade.
This wouldn't be the worst setup in the world. Go higher. Just for those 1 minute highs on ES. Yeah, you do have S&T there, but I do see NASDAQ still continuing higher. Just large retracements.
Just a fat fucking 15-minute breaker.
Yeah, going long in a breaker,
And
Big open gap.
and yeah.
suit yourself, Mike.
We've been spending lots of time in this new week open gap. Characteristics of a consolidation profile.
I was just talking to Alex. So, like, what do you deem a long time? Because a 1 minute long time versus a 15-minute. Because like we liquidated those lows and we had like shit 21-minute candles painted below them. But also, in the
I mean, if we're gonna
15-minute
be
time
trending
frame.
though, we should yeah, even on the 15 though, like we should leave aggressively one way. Yeah, Kayla. Huh? Yeah, hold on.
I mean, technically, like I would even argue we did leave aggressively on the 15-minute lows. Oh well, he's not even there. Fuck me.
I mean, it was a quick rejection, but just to the 50% of the range.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, that's all. I mean, that's what you expect, right? External to internal.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Once the 50% of the range is taken, it's like,
Yeah. I mean, that
I've got
the
nothing else.
the idea was the other way. I mean, from there,
Right.
and then here and now. I mean, you were tracing back into a breaker, like you said, to go lower. I mean, you know, it's definitely not the most viable fucking setup for sure.
Yeah. Just range bound.
Yeah. "45-second order block here."
Or
Basically, like a string of 15-second order blocks
yeah,
that trade back
Nice.
down into.
no, it's high probability, dude. I'm in.
I've been in, bro. I'm fucking long as shit.
I've
But yeah,
been in.
you raise a good point, Ty. I don't know where we really left it on the 15, but I don't know. It just feels like we're
That's what I'm
consolidating
saying. Like,
this
what's
thing.
considered? It's all subjective,
fractal.
one, but it's also
Yeah.
yes, all fractal.
But look at the hour, dude. Like we're just fucking hanging out in here.
Well, yeah, I mean that's what you expect though. On the hour chart, you took out relative equal lows, you trade down into an order block, and now we're seeing the reaction off the order block back into the 50% of the range. Like that's all you need for a fast, quick rejection. Right there on the 15-second, got a nice little IO fed right there. That was pretty clean. It's probably gonna take out the highs here. I mean, you're just trading into that premium level, but I do think it's gonna break and take out the swing highs. Liquidity's too close. But that could have been a really nice setup. Offers it again, you can go 50% into that. Right there, bang. 50% risk if it re-offers it. Stop loss would be probably around there.
You got 15-second break right here.
Nah, ES.
Yes.
So double tap into that IO Fed. He just took out those relative equal highs. I want to see the consequent encroachment get hit again. That would be the main target. 71 even.
Of the Noag.
No, the opening range gap.
Hmm.
Yes. Left those relative equal highs. Straight back down and do it. That's definitely the target right there. Oh, did he get it?
And boom.
Oh, yeah. Bangs it. Fucking clean. That'd have been it. That'd have been it. I just got distracted fucking talking about what the hell's a quick fucking rejection. That was clean though. Just that little fucking tick up. That's all you need. That little leg. The little last leg.
You looking do nothing for you.
Was it? You also do the next 15-minute fair value gap. That'd be another draw right there. 81 even. But we need to build up some market structure like it did on that last one. It's tough that it, yeah. Just wasn't paying attention. Should have paid attention a little bit better. Would have been in that. Where is a nice level here? I think if it gets over the swing high, because you have that nice fair value gap, 950. Is that what it is? 950? 949. Keep trading back up into a premium. Let's see how it respects the consequent encroachment right here. And the discount level is fine as well. 1 minute fair value gap there on the right side of the curve.
Dude, I would love for us to get below this fucking 1037 swing low.
I mean, it's also a breaker on the 1 minute. Yes. It's a fat breaker, fair value gap. You also have that on the right side of the curve too. And you also have the Nawag that's also helping us out for higher prices. Should get a closure over it? Yeah, 15-minute closure over that too. We should get a nice little fucking rejection here to go higher. Check it out. I gotta leave here soon, so don't do it quick. Then I gotta go. Cold as shit outside. Yeah, I probably won't be able to get in sync with this. I gotta bounce. Damn, well, that was in the 15-second right there. Yes. Just fucking missed it, but yeah, I gotta bounce. Hopefully this trades back all the way back above it, and you know, you guys get into a nice little trade if you guys see it well. But yeah, hoping you guys do well, whatever you guys decide on doing.
Thanks,
man,
dog. Send me a
I-
picture of the truck.
Well, dude,
Yeah,
man.
bro, me too.
Yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait.
No,
So-
we're excited. You don't get
Yeah,
to be
nah.
excited. We're excited.
Dude, I'm the most excited.
No, we're more excited than you.
All right,
All right,
get
boys.
out of here, dude.
Get out of
All right.
here.
Peace, bro.